Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is a beast of a truck. One of my favorite trucks to drive, especially when going on family trips. Why? Right? I don't know if my finger's in the right spot, or 2 fingers, or 3 fingers, or maybe a whole hand, because why? It's a mega cab. Mega can. So this is probably one of the most beast trucks you can build. They're just long, wide. Long because the mega cab part right here, it's distinguishable from a mile away. Like the whole cab, even long bed, there's nothing more distinguishable than a mega cab. So with that said, this, my friends, is a 2013 Ram 2500 Laramie Long Horn 6.7 liter mega cab 4x4 Cummins turbo diesel 4x4. What did we do to it? Well, let's start off the rip by saying we got some massive wheels and tires on it on a rough country suspension lift kit system. I just bought these. They're brand new. Look at the nipples. You can still see the nipple. There you go, titties, nipples. Sorry, X-rated video right here. These are 1350s. We did 1350s, not 1250s this time. We did 1350s 20s. Give it a little bit more girth that way. If you guys are trying to wonder what the numbers mean, 37 is the height, 37 inches tall, 1350 tread wide, 20 inch diameter of the wheel, the inside. And these are a set of 20 by 12 Moto Metal 970s. It's negative 44 millimeter offset from the hub back here to the outside of the wheel. Full turn right, full turn left, no rubbing at all. It has been trimmed very minimal on the corner here and on the cab right there. But other than that, the truck is freaking beast. My God. I put a brand new style. I bought this grill, brand new, new body, new generation, 5th gen or whatever you call it. Maybe 5th gen, 4th gen, 5th gen, I don't know. Style grill up front. We got cab lights, tinted windows, rain guards, and it's just a hell of a truck. And most of all, it came from Texas. A little dusty on the underside, but no rust at all. B&W 5th wheel, gooseneck hitch. It's got a full 4-inch turbo back exhaust system, and judging by the beginning of the video, I hope you guys like the beginning of the video because that's what it sounds like, and it's more aggressive in person. You got an exhaust brake to slow you down, and that's an awesome feature on this truck too. All serviced at the local Ram dealership down the street over here. I believe we put new caliper on this side. Yeah, this side's got a new caliper right there. They failed me for a caliper and brakes, so I had to replace those. That's normal, no worries. The inside has got a Rhino liner, spray and bed liner with all your hookups right there for whatever you want to throw in. Backup camera. A few scratches and dents, as you can see throughout. It is a used truck. I mean, it's a 13 with 100-some-thousand miles on it, but you know, overall, everything works good the way it should. And it's just a hell of a truck. I love it. This is how wide it sits off from the body. I want to say 4 inches, 5 inches, probably a whole hand. My Anthony Gage, how you doing, brother? Long time no talk. Hope you and your family are doing well. We'll go on this side so you can see it. I'm 6 foot tall. And I stand literally a head, shoulder to the mirror. And you can flip these up too. Boom. Tow mirrors, awesome feature when you're towing. You will utilize these. Turn signals are incorporated into the mirrors. Those are brand new also too, by the way. I got the sequential LEDs. My mechanic just put those in. These are just a hell of a truck. I mean, when this is coming down the road, get the F out of the way. My God. It's just straight tough looking. Let's go to the interior and see what's going on. Then we'll check out the power plant. There's the huge badging of the Laramie Long Horn Edition 2500. You got lights on here when they shine down, actually. Miles, 143,917 maintained miles. Pedal adjustment, lights, auto, everything. Beautiful wood grain, beautiful wood grain. Exposed wood grain with leather and gorgeous trim. You got all your badges incorporated into the seats, the stitching and the patch, the Laramie Long Horn patch, as well as the center console right here. The floor mat too. You got your Ram door sills right there. Clap my feet, go inside, 4-wheel drive, exhaust brake, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, heated seats, backup camera, push button start. And it just sounds hell of a tough. Hell of a tough. RAM, Uconnect, Auto Connect, whatever you want to put on there, it's got it. So there you go, your flashing tire gauge. Those things always go bad. Whoever invented those should be euthanized. They suck. Anywho, brand new tires, we didn't put the sensors back in, but who cares? Backup camera, connect your Bluetooth device. Backup camera works phenomenal. Sliding rear windows, sunroof, everything's great. The rear seats, you got the embroidery into the rear seats as well. Super clean back there, factory mats, all your stuff in here. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's all I can say, and it's tough. Let's go check out the power plant. And then I'm gonna end the video. There's the VIN number if you guys are wondering. Boom, right there. Tires, brand new, wheels, brand new. Like I was saying, underside of the truck, phenomenal. No leaks on the oil pan or on the transmission. Full exhaust straight through. There's the cab, the body. Underside, your rough country. Like I said, it's a little dirty, rusty from being in Southern State and dirt road and everything. But you got your power plant right here. Let's go check it out. Brand new headlights too, by the way. These are brand new headlights. Brand new she is. Here it is. Brand new batteries also. I didn't miss a beat, guys, I'm telling you. Look, brand new batteries, both sides, matching batteries. Fluids are great, in good shape. Ram Active Air, 6.7 liter turbo diesel, tuned, full exhaust, you name it, it's done. So hope you guys like it. Stay tuned, subscribe, pass the word along, that would be much appreciated. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Over and out, because I did. I freaking love this damn truck. Holy shit. As a matter of fact, you know what? I think I'm gonna go drive it home. I'm gonna drive it home today. But first, I'm probably going to the bar. So I did this video. I've been working on this truck, detailing it, and polishing the wheels and doing the video and editing the video. So with that said, about 3-4 hours of prime time, it's time for a Coors Light or maybe a Corona. Over and out. See you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. Call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. Thanks.